Now to our top story this morning, growing concern over spiking COVID cases as more and more people travel for spring break and for other occasions. The CDC director going off script, getting rather emotional and pleading with everyone to hold on a little while longer. Right now, the Atlanta-based agency is warning of another possible surge, and Georgia is playing a big part. Taking a look at the numbers here, the Georgia Department of Public Health reporting more than 800 new infections yesterday and nearly 40 additional deaths. 35 more people admitted to hospitals with severe symptoms, and more than 1,200 people are currently in the hospital. For the most part, Georgia's cases are flat, but there are some communities seeing another rise in infections. The CDC saying that Bacon County, that's about 3.5 hours from Atlanta in the southeast part of the state, now has the highest new case rate in the country. Mara Siriani joining us this morning outside the CDC to break down what's driving this warning from the CDC. The director warning about impending doom here. Mara.
Shiva, that is language that certainly has our attention. That is a direct quote from the director of the CDC. We've all heard the phrase COVID fatigue, but a grim message from the CDC's director in Atlanta warns not to let your guard down just yet.
And I'm going to reflect on the recurring feeling I have of impending doom.
Dr. Rochelle Walensky says there's a 10% increase in COVID cases across the country. And with travel up and some states easing the restrictions, she's scared of a possible fourth wave, another deadly surge that could reach people before the vaccines do.
But right now, I'm scared.
CDC data shows the pandemic erupting again in the Northeast and South along the Atlantic coast. Also in Georgia, in Metro Atlanta, and in Southeast Georgia's Bacon County, which now has the highest new case rate in the country.
Disease is really just one airplane ride or spring break traveler away from us.
Medical writer Dr. Amber Schmidtke points out overall in Georgia, cases are now flat, not increasing but not decreasing either. And the test positivity rate is increasing among all age groups younger than 65.
It is concerning because it means that we don't have as good a handle on the disease transmission as we might want to have.
Schmidtke and Walensky reminding folks of the seemingly tired message to wear masks and social distance, crucial timing more than a year into the pandemic.
We kind of have to stick with these things for at least the next month or more to really give the state time to vaccinate as many people as they can.
And Governor Kemp was actually just in South Georgia urging folks there to get the vaccine. And you'll remember we just reported yesterday that he had talked about loosening restrictions across the state. But now with the governor in quarantine himself, we'll see if he still plans to do that.